to my YouTube channel. Hello. For those of you who are returning subscribers, thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it, you guys. It means a lot to me. It helps me out a lot. And for those of you who are new, welcome, join the party, and let's walk the walk. So basically what this channel is all about, it's about making money, everything money, how to make money online, how to make extra money, passive income, savings, budget, all those things. We're going to be talking about everything. We are walking the walk to achieve financial freedom together. So if you are interested in that, you are in the right place. Join the family, and how you can do that is by smashing that subscribe button and turning on your post notification bell so you're notified every single time that I post and you do not get left behind. Okay, I actually have an announcement today, guys. Yes, drum roll. I'm joking, but I am going to be doing $100 giveaway, $100 giveaway. Yes, I will be giving away $100 to one of my subscribers, the most active subscriber, the subscriber which I feel is active and is supporting me, right? So how I will determine the most active subscriber is by looking through my videos, because I do get comments and everything. So the subscriber that's going to be most active in all the videos, commenting on the videos, saying certain things in the videos, whatever. So if I see your name popping out a lot, then you are going to be the winner of the $100. But the types of comments I'm talking about is, I would like for you guys to give me feedback on the videos. Did you like the video? What did you like about the video? What didn't you like about the video? What can I improve? You know, because I'm giving you guys content, and if you guys give me feedback on what you like and what you don't like, I can better my content to suit you guys, you know, and then I can offer you guys proper content based on what you guys like. Okay, so that's all you need to do. All you need to do is subscribe, share this video, and also comment down on all the videos, or the videos that you're gonna watch, or whatever video interests you. I'm not saying now comment on each and every video. Some videos are not going to interest you. You don't have to comment on that video that doesn't interest you, but whatever interests you, I would really like for you to comment what you liked and what you didn't like about the video. If you're going to try this, if you've tried this, how was your experience? But that's basically how I'm going to determine the winner. I'm going to go through my subscribers list, and I'm going to go through my videos. The most active subscriber is the person who's going to win this $100. I'll be giving away this $100 via PayPal. Okay, so I know PayPal is more of a universal channel, so I mean, because this competition is for everyone, everywhere in the world you can enter. But if you actually win, and then when I reach out you are not connected to PayPal, or your country doesn't allow PayPal, then that's okay. We will figure out how we can work around it for me to send you the money. For instance, if you're in South Africa, I can e-wallet you the money, you know, and if you anywhere else, we can figure out what's the best way for me to get the money to you. So that's that. Subscribe, share. Oh, and I will be announcing the winner when we hit 2,500 subscribers. Yes, once we hit 2,500 subscribers, I will be doing the giveaway. I will select a subscriber which I feel that is the most active person, and then I will be announcing the giveaway as soon as we hit 2,500 subscribers. So guys, share the videos, share so we can get a lot of people subscribed to the channel. So the faster we get there, the faster I can give the person the money, or I can do the giveaway. I actually wanted to also talk to you guys about this. I want to start doing this. So I wanted to actually start incorporating this, where I give you guys, because I'm a channel that talks about investing, making money, all these things, savings, whatever. So the best thing for me to do is to also give you guys capital, give back to you guys, give you the tools to be able to get to a place where you want to get. So when I'm going to be giving this $100 away, don't take it and go shopping or whatever. Incorporate it in whatever I've told you to try. If it's saving, save it. If you want to invest in yourself, invest in yourself. If you want to pay advertising for your website, invest in advertising. So that's why I actually decided to do this. It's not just to give people money for no reason. It's actually for you guys to be able to have a bit of capital to start some of these businesses that I'm going to be talking about, to try these methods and everything. So it's me giving you money for you to be able to start and try things out and give feedback. That's what it is, capital. So it's not going to be the first time. I'm going to be doing this very often. I'm going to be just doing this. I wanted to actually do it every 2 months. after we hit first, I want us to hit 2,500 subscribers. Then from there, I was thinking of doing it every 2 months, like announcing a winner every 2 months, so that I can have a lot of people winning. Because I mean, out of a lot of people, I need to give and diversify like the money, So I will be thinking about, I thought about it will be every month, but then I just saw like, okay, I'll see how everything goes, and then either bi-monthly or monthly, we'll see. I will announce this in my other videos when I've decided how I want it to go. But for now, let's hit that milestone and let me give the first person the $100 and let's see how it goes. Okay, so enough about that. Yes, today's video is about drop servicing. Yes, drop servicing. I know you guys probably asking, what is that? I mean, some of you don't even know what drop shipping is. So basically, drop shipping is the same as the print on demand. It's the same concept. If you didn't watch the print on demand video, it will appear up here. I actually know how to do that now. It's gonna appear up here, and then you can click on it to get a background understanding on that. But basically, drop shipping is when you set up a website and sell things which you don't have the physical stock to. I don't know if that makes sense, but let me just try break it down. It's when you set up like a online store, like an e-commerce store, and then you list products which you don't even have in your possession at that moment, but you actually have other suppliers fulfilling your orders. So an example would be you setting up a shop and you selling diaries which are being sold on AliExpress, right? AliExpress is like the bomb. It's the plug. If you don't know AliExpress, go to AliExpress. You're gonna find everything that you need. Everything, yes. So what you would do is you would set up your own website. When you set up your own website, you would import pictures from AliExpress of the same thing that you want to sell. They sell things for very affordable, like very, very cheap. So you would import it onto your website, the pictures, like set up your whole website nicely. And then whenever someone purchases or places an order on your website, you just place an order on AliExpress and put that person's address, and then AliExpress ships that thing to the person's house. There are suppliers on AliExpress who understand drop shipping, where you will notify them, I'm a drop shipper, so they don't brand that thing in their shop's name or their packaging. They will just send like a neutral packaging, and then your person or your customer receives it, but it's not going to say that it's coming from this shop, from AliExpress or whatsoever. So you just notify them that I'm a drop shipper, and then they will just not put any promotion or anything that has to do with their shop, and it looks like it's coming from your shop. It's what people are doing. It's what a lot of people are doing. They are doing drop shipping. Is like, yeah, it's the thing that has been happening. If you're seeing people advertising their websites, selling makeup brushes, selling this is, chances are 90% of those people don't even have that stock. They don't even have physical stock. What they do is they set up shops, they make them look pretty. They invest in advertising by paying YouTube, by paying, well, if you pay Google, then it's gonna go on all the channels. So yeah, by doing Google ads and also Facebook ads and all these things. So they pay for advertising and they advertise their shops. I mean, people like websites that look proper. So the trick here, or the secret here, is to make your website look very, very nice and professional and all those things. And then that's it. You just list something up, and then the people will come buy it from you. People would ask, like, okay, but then why doesn't the person go to AliExpress themselves to go buy it for like cheaper? Because I'm also gonna put up my markup. Yes, the problem is that people don't like to go on AliExpress because it's like a wholesale. People don't trust, is it gonna arrive here? When is it gonna get here? It's coming from China. How is it gonna come here? Is it ever gonna arrive? But when it's on your website, you don't have to say where it's coming from. You just say shipping will take roughly 14 to 25 days or something like that. You understand? So people have a bit of distrust when it comes to that. But when it's not linked to where it's coming from and all those things, and the US actually has a lot of warehouses where they have their things and they can ship it there. So yeah, that's basically drop shipping. You sit at home, you set up your website, you list things for sale. When a person buys, you just order on AliExpress, and then they send it to the person, and then you just make the difference, which is the profit. Basically the same as print on demand. So today we're going to be talking about drop servicing. Yes. Drop servicing is also the same concept. You're going to be like starting a website, and then you're going to be listing things that you offer, services which you offer, and then you're going to be putting a price to it, and then voila, when people come on your website and actually inquire or do you buy a service, guys? I'm not sure if you buy a service or you request a service, whatever. But when people come to your website and they buy or request that service, then you get someone else to do that service, and then you just make the difference of what the person charges and what you charge the client. That's it. Yes, I know there's a lot of people who do drop servicing. It's also like it's not new, but then it's booming now because apparently people say drop shipping is like too saturated now, so people are moving to drop servicing. So basically drop servicing is that where you're going to set up a website, and then on that website you're going to list services which you offer. You don't even have to know how to do anything. You just pick whatever service you feel like it's booming right now. I'm going to give you guys tips on this, so let me just like explain to you how this works and how you guys should do it to basically make money, So first of all, you're going to be using Fiverr. Yay. Fiverr is a place where people list their services up for sale. So if you know how to do bookkeeping, you can go on Fiverr, register as a bookkeeper, and you can do bookkeeping. If you know how to do whatever, it's almost the same as Skillshare, but there people do actual services for you. Not Skillshare, remember, you just watch tutorials on how to do things, but Fiverr is where someone actually says, I'm a freelancer, I can do this for you for this amount of money. Okay, so we're going to be using Fiverr, so they can be the people that actually carry out the service for the people, because you don't have to know how to do anything for you to succeed in this. Let's take, for example, website development. Website development is booming because what happened, COVID last year, people were working from home. Most companies were not online. They hadn't moved online. So there's a lot of companies who are moving online. They want to have a website. They want to have all these things because they realized that last year we were not even able to do anything because of the fact that we did not have a website. If we were forced to shut down in level 5 or whatsoever, we were not able to go to our offices. We were not able to do anything. But if we offer a service, we didn't even need to go to the physical office. If we had a website, people could come and inquire there and do whatever. So a lot of companies are moving online. They are requiring service, website development and all these things. They want their company to have websites so that they can actually communicate with customers online, and it can be easier for people to be able to get to them and get services from them and quotes and all those things. So you're probably asking, like, website development, I don't even know anything about IT or whatever. You don't need to know anything about IT, honey, because on Fiverr there are people who offer services like that. They say, I can design a website for you for this much, and I can do this for you for that much, and for that much, and for that much, and for that much. And they have ratings, they have their hourly rates and all those things. So what you need to basically do is you need to set up a website, name your website or whatever you call yourself. You are a website developer, right? So you can call whatever name you want to call your company or whatever, and then you offer services like website development services, packages, pricings, and all those different things. You list it up there, and then when you have it there, you make sure you go on Fiverr first, find someone who can do all these things, see their rates, add up your profit on top of their rates, and then you list it up on your website. That's it. When someone comes on your website and actually says, please, I need a website, also our company needs a website, whatever, all you need to do is reach out to your person on Fiverr and let them know, like, listen, I need you to design a website like that. Whatever requirements they have, you just copy and then paste it on the email that you're sending this person, like, I need you to do all these things. And then the person will tell you, like, okay, cool, yes, I can. You charge it, it's about this much, but you would know how much it is because you went through their profiles. And then they do it. And then when the customer pays you, you take your cut, and then you pay the person who actually did all the work. That's it. Because you don't even have to go meet anyone. Because of COVID, everything is online. Now everything is online. You will meet them on Zoom meetings, you will meet them on whatever, and that's it. You can even have your person on Fiverr in the Zoom meeting if they want to meet on you, like they want to meet on Zoom to talk about the website and everything. You can have that person and let them know, listen, I'm a drop servicer. Like, I don't know if that's a name, but I do drop servicing. So yeah, you're working for me. I find the clients, they don't mind. Those people don't mind. They don't care. As long as they're getting paid their share. They don't care how much you charge the client, how much the client was willing to pay you. They just want their money, and that's that. So that's basically how you can do that. And then you're probably asking me, okay, you're telling me about a website. Fine, Fiverr, I understand. And you don't even have to have money to start this. You don't need any capital, because you will only pay the person on Fiverr once the client pays you. That's it. So once they pay, you take your share, you transfer it to that person. You don't even have to meet with anyone. The transaction can just go flawless without you having to have any problems, because there's this person doing the work for you. There's the client here. You are the middleman, and you just make your money. And then you probably ask them, okay, fine, but where am I going to set up a website for free? You can set up a website for free on Commerce. Yes, it's a free place for you to set up a website. They have these very nice templates. I will put the link to it on the description box down below. You just go in, you sign up, and then you just create a shop. It only allows you to import 10 on the free version. You can only import 10 products. So if you're also a drop shipper and you know about drop shipping and you're paying money on Shopify or whatsoever, but you actually list less than 10 products, you can actually move to Commerce, because it's free. You don't have any obligations. You don't pay any monthly subscription fee for you to have your website on and running. All you're gonna need to pay for is the domain. If you want a fancy domain, if you want your domain to actually look proper, I would suggest that you guys buy a domain, because a domain looks more professional and more trustworthy, as opposed to it having the Commerce name in between or in front or at the back. It's better for you to buy a domain. Domains are like what, $14, $10. You can go buy a domain on GoDaddy as well. You can go do it anyway. And that's why I said I've decided to do giveaways for things like this, for where if you want to do this service and you're just saying, but I don't even have anything, I have zero, I do like this idea, I want to try it, but I don't have any money, and that's why I will be doing giveaways frequently, so that I can fund you guys to try these things. So if you're interested in this, do subscribe and share this video so we can reach that 2,500 subscribers, so I can actually do the giveaway. Be active, the requirements and everything. If you just joined the video right now, go back to the beginning of the video. I explain how to enter so you can win that $100 and you can just invest in yourself. And yeah, that's it, you guys. So the website you're gonna use, your website developer platform will be Commerce, and then you will use Fiverr for buying people's service. It's free to go on Fiverr and look at how like people's services and how much they offer. It's free. There's no charge to it. So for real, for you to start this business or what, you don't need any capital. All you need to have is maybe $10 to buy a domain if you want to, but if not, then you can go with their free domains. Then you can just set up your website. They are free templates. They are very user-friendly templates. Set up your website, put pricing, and then just get your clients. And if you are worried about how am I gonna get my first customer, how am I gonna get my first client, you can watch my video on how to drive free traffic to your website in 2021. I'll put the link in the description box below. Then you can watch like tips that I gave on that. I actually have another video coming on that, because I've researched more on how to do these things. So I'll put like, there will be another video coming soon. But then for now, if you want to start this thing now, go ahead, click on Commerce, sign up, set up your website, go on Fiverr, check prices, set your prices to be competitive, and that's it. So that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you've gotten this far. Comment, like, and share. Thank you.